Hey guys, it's Jalen, sales manager here at Johnson Trailer Parts. Today we're going to go over the T45 4-inch round grommet mount stop tail turn light with reverse. I'll give you a little demonstration on how it works and how it wires up. Now keep in mind, depending on the trailer that you're installing it in, or even a vehicle, some guys put these in Jeeps. Sometimes the wire coloring is a little different, but I'll show you on the plugs that come with the lights which wire does what. That way it should help you with your install and get these installed in your trailer or vehicle without any issues. So without further ado, I will get into the light and give you a demonstration on how it works. So on my test board here, I'll show you how these wire. So basically I'm going to take the ground from the reverse plug and from the stop tail turn, and I'm going to connect them to my ground. So obviously you'll use proper wire connectors here. The kits do come with heat shrink connectors, solder heat shrink connectors. So you'd solder these together, heat shrink them. Now reverse, on the reverse light, on my test board, this would be my reverse light here. So I'd connect that. This black wire on the reverse I don't need. So you can always cap that off. It's not needed. And then I'm going to take my turn and brake wire, connect it to the bottom plug, to the red here, to get my stop tail turn. And then my bottom black wire, this is going to connect to my running lights. So on your trailer it'd be your, I believe, black or brown. On a vehicle, I'm not 100% sure, whatever one runs your wiring or your running lights on your vehicle. And then you would connect that. So basically now this is wired in. Alright, so here's the T45 4-inch round grommet light with reverse stop tail turn. So just give you an idea what it looks like as a running light. This is with the light off. Now with your running lights on, this is what you're going to get here. Now we'll do brake lights, and then turn signal, and then finally for reverse. So having these reverse lights on here is really nice, especially at night. These things are actually really bright. They definitely, especially on the trailers, you get longer trailers, it helps with seeing behind you as you're backing up in the dark there. So highly recommend them. I'll show you what it looks like with the lights out here. So with the lights off now, I'll go ahead and show you what they look like with marker light. Now turn signal and brake, and now with reverse. So as you can see with that reverse light, it's pretty bright light. Makes it beneficial for in the dark backing up your trailer, being able to see behind you. Really handy to have. Alright, here's the lens here. So as you can see, there are 8 LEDs for the markers and stop turns, and 2 for the reverse light. Now on the back side, you're going to have 2 3-prong plug-ins. On the top side here, you'll see where it's got the reverse, ground power, and then on the bottom you're going to have the ground, stop tail, and stop turn, or stop tail turn, stop turn, ground. Alright, with the kit you're going to get the 3-prong wire plugs that come with it. They come with about 8 inches of wiring. So what you're going to have is going to have a red, a white, and a black wire. So now on the light, on the back side, for the stop tail turn, on the bottom, once you plug this in, get that snapped in there. So white is going to be your ground. So white is ground. The black is going to be your tail lights, kind of like your marker lights. So when you get your headlights on or your trailer lights on, this will turn the marker light on. And then the red wire here, that is going to wire into your turn signal and stop, your brakes. So the red wire here will control the brakes and the turn signals. Now up here on top, for the reverse, if you look, you can see this upper, I believe it's the upper right here, there's no pin in there. There's only 2 pins in this upper plug, a ground and a power. So you're going to take the other plug that comes with the light kit, same as the one for the stop turn tail, and you're going to plug that in. So now with this one, let me get it plugged in here, bear with me. So now once that's plugged in, the only wires that you're going to need on this one are going to be the red and white. So white will be the ground, red will go to your reverse. So now depending on your vehicle or your trailer, you may end up having to, like on a trailer, wiring in a reverse wire all the way from the 7-way junction box at the front to the rear of the trailer to get the reverse lights. On vehicles, like if you're putting these in a Jeep, a lot of guys will put these taillights in Jeeps. You're going to have to find which color wire is the actual reverse wire on that to make sure you tie into that. Alright, thanks for taking the time and watching. If you got questions, feel free to shoot us an email at sales@johnsontrailerparts.com. Our email will be in the description below. If there's any product that you'd like us to see that we offer, go over a how-to video, things like that, leave a comment. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, leave a comment below on what you liked about it. If you didn't like the video, that's alright. Just let me know in the comments below on what I can improve on to make these videos more informative and educational for you, our valued customer. Again, thank you and have a wonderful day.